Dialogue 1. Planning a trip to Japan.
Hey Jake, have you thought about where we should go for our vacation?
Yeah, I was thinking about Japan.
Japan sounds amazing. When should we go?
Maybe in April, when the cherry blossoms are blooming.
Oh, that would be beautiful. How long should we stay?
About 10 days, I think.
Do we need a visa?
I don't think so, but I'll double check online.
Good idea. What about the budget?
I'd say around $1,500 per person.
That's reasonable. Should we book a tour or go on our own?
I prefer traveling on our own.
Me too. It's more flexible that way.
What cities should we visit?
Definitely Tokyo, Kyoto, and maybe Osaka.
Perfect. We can take the bullet train between cities.
That sounds exciting.
Let's start looking for flights this weekend.
Great plan. I can't wait to go.
Same here. It'll be an unforgettable trip. Dialogue 2. At the airport.
Excuse me, where's the check-in counter for flight BA231?
It's over there, next to gate 12.
Thanks. Oh no, there's such a long line.
Don't worry, it moves quickly.
Good. I'm flying to London.
Do you have your passport and ticket ready?
Yes, here they are.
Great. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Just this one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure.
Perfect. Your bag is under the weight limit.
That's good news.
Here's your boarding pass. The gate opens at 8:30.
Thank you. Where's the security check?
Straight ahead and to the left.
Thanks for your help.
Have a safe flight.
Thank you very much.
Dialogue 3. Checking in at a hotel. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Tom Reed.
Welcome, Mr. Reed. Let me check. Yes, a double room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
Could I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Will you be paying now or at checkout?
I'll pay when I check out.
No problem. Here's your room key. Room 405.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it's served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant.
Perfect. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, just use the password on this card.
Great. Thank you.
The elevator is on your right.
Excellent. Oh, one more thing. Where's the nearest ATM?
Just around the corner outside the hotel.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Dialogue 4. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the Eiffel Tower?
Sure. Are you walking or taking the metro?
I'll take the metro.
Okay. Go to Bir Hakeim Station. It's on line 6.
How far is it from here?
About 10 minutes on foot.
And how long is the ride?
Around 15 minutes.
Perfect. Do I need to change trains?
No, it's a direct line.
That's easy. Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you visiting Paris for the first time?
Yes, it's my first trip here.
You'll love it. The city is full of history and great food.
I've heard that.
Don't forget to try croissants.
I definitely will. Thanks again.
Enjoy your visit.
Thank you, I will.
Dialogue 5. At a restaurant abroad.
Good evening. Table for 2, please.
Certainly. Right this way.
Thank you. Can we have a window seat?
Of course. Here's the menu.
Everything looks delicious.
Yeah, but I can't read half of it.
Would you like me to explain some dishes?
That would be great.
The grilled salmon is very popular.
I'll have that, please.
And I'll try the steak.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please.
Any drinks?
Just water for me.
Same here.
Thank you. I'll bring your order soon.
This place is so cozy.
Yeah, perfect for our first night in Rome.
Dialogue 6. Lost luggage.
Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive on the belt.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your baggage tag, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
I really hope it's not lost.
It seems your bag is still in Singapore.
Oh no, what should I do?
Don't worry. We'll send it to your hotel tomorrow.
That's a relief.
Can you give me your hotel address?
Sure, it's the Sunrise Hotel in downtown Bangkok.
Got it. Please fill out this form.
Okay. Will I get any compensation?
Yes, you can claim up to $100 for essentials.
That's good to know.
Again, we're very sorry for the inconvenience.
It's okay. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
Dialogue 7. Talking to a travel agent.
Hi, I'd like to book a trip to Thailand.
Of course.
When would you like to travel?
Sometime in February.
How long will you stay?
About 2 weeks.
Are you interested in a beach holiday or a cultural tour?
A bit of both, actually.
Great choice! I recommend Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and Phuket.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like a package including flights and hotels?
Yes, please.
Do you prefer budget or luxury hotels?
Mid-range would be fine.
Okay, I'll prepare a few options for you.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Can I have your email address?
Sure. It's mary.james@email.com.
Got it. I'll send the details by tomorrow.
Excellent. I look forward to it.
You'll love Thailand. It's beautiful.
Dialogue 8. Buying souvenirs.
How much is this t-shirt?
That one is $15.
Can you give me a discount?
For you, $12.
Deal! I'll take 2.
Great choice. Anything else?
Maybe this keychain. How much is it?
$3 each, or 4 for $10.
I'll take 4 then.
Excellent. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Sorry, cash only.
No problem. Here's $22.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Dialogue 9. Meeting a local.
Hi there. Are you from here?
Yes, I live nearby. Are you visiting?
Yeah, I'm on vacation. It's my first time in Spain.
Welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's wonderful. The food, the weather, everything.
Have you tried tapas yet?
Not yet. What are they?
Small Spanish dishes, perfect for sharing.
Sounds delicious.
I can recommend a good place if you want.
That would be great.
There's a restaurant called Casa Juan near the cathedral.
I'll check it out. Thanks.
No problem. How long are you staying?
Just a week.
Then you should also visit Granada.
I've heard it's beautiful.
It really is. You'll love the Alhambra Palace.
Thanks for all the tips.
My pleasure. Enjoy your trip. Dialogue 10. Talking about a trip afterwards.
Hey, Laura. How was your trip to Bali?
It was amazing. The beaches were stunning.
Sounds great. How long did you stay?
10 days. I wish it had been longer.
What did you like most?
Definitely the snorkeling. The water was crystal clear.
Did you go surfing too?
No, but I watched some people do it.
How was the food?
Delicious. Lots of fresh seafood and tropical fruit.
Did you stay in a hotel or a villa?
A small villa near the beach. It was perfect.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah, I'd love to go back someday.
Did you visit any temples?
Yes, we went to Uluwatu Temple. The view was incredible.
I'm jealous.
You should go next time.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation.
Anytime.
Dialogue 11. Renting a car.
Hi, I'd like to rent a car for 3 days. Sure. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Do you prefer an automatic or manual car?
Automatic, please.
Any specific type? Compact, SUV, or sedan?
A compact one will do.
Okay, I have a Toyota Yaris available.
Perfect. How much is it per day?
It's $45 a day, including insurance.
Sounds good. Is the fuel full?
Yes. Please return it with a full tank.
No problem. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes. We'll need a deposit too.
How much?
$200. It'll be refunded when you return the car.
All right. Can I pick it up now?
Sure. Please sign here.
Done.
Thank you. Here are the keys. Have a safe trip.
Thanks a lot. Dialogue 12. On a guided tour. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our city tour.
Morning. What places will we visit today?
We'll start with the Old Town, then visit the Royal Palace.
Sounds exciting. How long will the tour last?
About 4 hours.
Will there be time for photos?
Of course, we'll stop at several viewpoints.
Is lunch included?
No, but we'll stop at a local restaurant.
Great. I'd love to try the food.
You'll enjoy it. It's very traditional.
What's that big building over there?
That's the National Museum. We'll go inside later.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
It's one of the oldest in the country.
Do we need to pay for tickets?
They're included in your tour price.
Perfect.
All right, everyone ready? Let's go explore.
Let's go!
Dialogue 13. Taking a train.
Excuse me, is this the train to Berlin?
Yes, it is. Coach 3 is at the front.
Thanks. Does it leave on time?
Yes, departure is at 10:15 sharp.
Great. How long is the journey?
Around 4 hours.
Do we need to reserve seats?
It's recommended, especially today.
Okay, I already booked one online.
Perfect. May I see your ticket?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. You're in seat 12A.
Is there a dining car?
Yes, in coach 5.
Excellent. Are there power outlets?
Yes, under each seat.
That's convenient.
Please have your ticket ready for inspection later.
Will do. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant trip. Dialogue 14. At the beach.
Wow, the water looks amazing.
Yeah, it's so clear and blue.
Do you want to go swimming?
Definitely, but I need sunscreen first.
Good idea. It's really sunny.
I'll rent an umbrella too.
How much do they cost?
$5 for the whole day.
That's cheap. Let's get 2 chairs as well.
Sure. Do you want a coconut drink?
Yes, please.
I'll grab us some.
Don't forget to take cash.
Got it. Are you reading a book today?
Yeah, I brought one about travel stories.
Perfect beach reading.
I love relaxing like this.
Same here. We needed this break.
Totally agree.
Dialogue 15. Booking a flight online.
I'm trying to book a flight to Canada, but I'm confused.
What's the problem?
There are too many options and prices.
Try sorting by cheapest first.
Okay. Oh, there's one for $450.
Does it include luggage?
Let me check. No, just a carry-on.
That's common these days.
Should I add a checked bag?
Yes, if you're staying long.
Good point. Oh, it's $50 extra.
Still not bad.
What about travel insurance?
Always get it. Better safe than sorry.
True. Okay, I'll book it now.
Don't forget to check your email for confirmation.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
Anytime.
Dialogue 16. Trouble with a hotel room. Hi, I think there's a problem with my room.
Oh, I'm sorry. What seems to be the issue?
The air conditioner isn't working.
That's not good. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, but it still doesn't work.
I see. I'll send maintenance to check it.
Thank you.
Would you like to wait in the lobby?
Yes, that's fine.
Can I offer you a drink while you wait?
A glass of water would be great.
Of course.
How long will it take?
Around 15 minutes.
Okay,
If it can't be fixed quickly, we'll move you to another room.
that would be great.
Thank you for your patience.
No worries. I appreciate your help. Dialogue 17. Asking about local attractions. Excuse me, what's the most popular attraction around here?
Definitely the old castle on the hill.
Oh, that sounds interesting. How far is it?
About a 20-minute walk.
Is there an entrance fee?
Yes, $10 for adults.
What time does it close?
At 6 p.m.
Great. Are there any restaurants nearby?
Yes, there's a small cafe right next to the entrance.
Perfect. What's the best time to go?
Morning. Fewer tourists and better light for photos.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you here for long?
Just 3 days.
Then you should also see the local market.
Where's that?
2 streets down from here.
Great. I'll check it out.
Enjoy your visit.
Dialogue 18. On a cruise ship.
This ship is huge.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this big.
Have you checked out the pool yet?
Not yet. Maybe after lunch.
Good idea. What's on the schedule today?
There's a dance class and a cooking demo.
I'd love to join the cooking one.
Me too. What time does it start?
At 3 p.m. in the main hall.
Perfect. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, surprisingly. The sea was calm.
Same here.
Have you tried the buffet breakfast?
Yes. Amazing pancakes.
I'll get some tomorrow.
I can't believe we're already halfway through the cruise.
Time flies when you're having fun.
So true. Dialogue 19. Missing a bus.
Oh no, we just missed the bus.
Seriously? When's the next one?
In 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, but it's so hot out here.
Let's wait inside that cafe.
Good idea. We can grab a cold drink.
What were we supposed to do again?
Visit the mountain park.
Right. I hope we still have time.
We'll make it. The park closes at 6.
Perfect. Do we need to buy tickets in advance?
No, we can get them at the entrance.
Great.
Oh, the bus stop is right in front of the cafe.
Even better.
Let's relax until it comes.
Agreed.
Dialogue 20. Meeting other travelers at a hostel. Hey, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. Are you staying at this hostel too?
Yeah, just arrived this morning.
Cool. Where are you from?
Canada. You?
Australia. Traveling alone?
Yes, for 3 months. You?
Same here. Backpacking through Asia.
That's awesome. Where have you been so far?
Thailand, Vietnam, and now Cambodia.
I love Vietnam. The food is amazing.
Totally agree. Where are you heading next?
Probably Laos.
Nice. Maybe we'll meet again there.
Who knows? Travelers always cross paths.
True. Want to grab dinner later?
Sure, sounds fun.
Great. See you at 7.
See you then.